Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth and luck effortlessly while others struggle? It's intriguing, isn't it? How wealth and luck seem to favor certain people while others are left toiling, yearning for a piece of that prosperity. We've all heard the common misconceptions. Some say wealth is a product of sheer hard work and persistence, while others believe luck is merely a game of chance. But what if there's more to it than that? Consider this for a moment. What if the key to wealth and luck lies not in the external world, but within us? What if our mindset, our attitude towards life plays a much larger role in shaping our fortunes than we've ever imagined? Now here's a thought that's sure to spark your curiosity. What if I told you that two simple words could make a profound difference in your life? Stay with us as we delve into this fascinating subject. The first word is gratitude, a powerful catalyst that can transform your life. Gratitude, a simple term, yet it holds immense power. It is the act of acknowledging and appreciating the positives in our lives, no matter how big or small. Gratitude allows us to shift our focus from what we lack to the abundance that surrounds us. Instead of dwelling on the absence or scarcity, we begin to see, feel, and embrace the riches we already possess. This shift in focus fosters a positive mindset, a mindset that is a magnet for wealth and luck. Imagine a droplet of water falling into a pond. The initial splash is small, but the ripples it creates spread far and wide. That's exactly how gratitude works. Each instance of gratitude is like that droplet. It may seem insignificant in isolation, but the cumulative effect is profound and far-reaching. Take, for instance, the act of expressing gratitude for a successful business deal. This not only acknowledges the success, but also creates a positive energy that attracts more such opportunities. Or consider the habit of being thankful for the small joys of life. This practice cultivates an attitude of positivity, making us more receptive to luck and abundance. And it's not just about material wealth. Gratitude enriches our lives in countless other ways too. It opens us up to new relationships, strengthens existing ones, and fosters personal growth. It can even improve our health and well-being. Here's an intriguing thought. The universe responds to our emotions. When we express gratitude, we send out positive vibes, and the universe, in its infinite wisdom, responds by sending more reasons to be grateful for. It's a beautiful cycle, isn't it? And there are countless stories of people who, by embracing gratitude, have attracted unexpected opportunities and blessings into their lives. These are not mere coincidences. They are the result of a deliberate shift in mindset, a shift that has the power to transform lives. Gratitude, therefore, is not just an emotion. It is a tool for attracting wealth and luck. The second word is affirmations, a potent force that shapes your reality. Delving into the realm of affirmations, we discover that they are more than simple statements. They are potent, powerful declarations that have the potential to shape our reality. Affirmations are positive assertions, clear and concise, that we continuously tell ourselves. They serve as a compass, guiding our thoughts, emotions, and actions towards the reality we desire to create. But how do affirmations work? How can a few well-chosen words seemingly wield the power to alter our reality? The answer lies within the intricate workings of our brain. You see, our brain operates on patterns and familiarity. The more we repeat a certain thought or belief, the stronger the neural pathways associated with that thought become. This is a process called neuroplasticity. When we consistently use affirmations, we are essentially training our brain to develop new positive neural pathways. These pathways then become our default mode of thinking, allowing us to naturally gravitate towards wealth and luck. Consider this example. There's a powerful affirmation that goes like this: I am a magnet for wealth and luck. Now, this might seem like a simple statement, but when repeated consistently, it can have profound effects. It works to reprogram our subconscious mind, shifting our focus away from lack and towards abundance. Over time, our actions align with this affirmation, attracting wealth and luck into our lives. Science has its say on this as well. Studies have shown that affirmations can significantly reduce stress levels, improve our problem-solving skills, and boost our overall well-being. These positive effects further enhance our capacity to attract wealth and luck. So the next time you catch yourself harboring negative thoughts, replace them with positive affirmations. Remember, the words we tell ourselves have power. They can either limit us or propel us towards our desired reality. It's our choice. Affirmations are not mere words, they are declarations of your reality. When you combine gratitude and affirmations, you unlock a powerful formula for abundance. So, how do these two concepts complement each other, you ask? Well, it's like a dance, a harmonious ballet of thoughts and feelings. Gratitude sets the stage, creating a positive, receptive mindset. It opens the heart and quiets the mind, preparing it for the transformative power of affirmations. Imagine gratitude as the fertile soil in which the seeds of affirmations are planted. It nurtures and supports these seeds, enabling them to sprout and grow into strong, vibrant manifestations of wealth and luck. Without gratitude, these seeds might wither and die, never reaching their full potential. Now, let's bring affirmations into the mix. Affirmations are like the sunlight, the rain, and the nutrients that the seeds need to grow. They're powerful statements that help to reshape your thoughts and beliefs, steering them towards positivity and abundance. When you practice affirmations in a state of gratitude, it's like supercharging them, amplifying their effects and accelerating their manifestation. The synergy of gratitude and affirmations is not just theoretical. There are countless success stories of individuals who've used this potent combination to attract wealth and luck. Take the story of a struggling artist who began practicing gratitude and affirmations daily. Within a year, he had his first gallery showing and sold every piece, or the story of a single mother who, despite her challenging circumstances, used gratitude and affirmations to maintain a positive mindset. Soon enough, she was offered a high-paying job that transformed her financial situation. These stories show the transformative power of combining gratitude and affirmations. They illustrate how these two powerful tools, when used together, can attract abundance into your life. They are the proof that the synergy of gratitude and affirmations is not just a concept, but a potent reality. Gratitude and affirmations together are a dynamo of positive energy, attracting wealth and luck like a magnet. So why not try it? Begin your journey of abundance today with the powerful combination of gratitude and affirmations. You might just be amazed at the wealth and luck you attract. Now that you know the power of gratitude and affirmations, how do you embrace them in your life? Well, the journey begins with acknowledging the abundance that already surrounds you. Start by taking a moment each day to consciously appreciate the blessings, big and small, that pepper your life. It could be the warmth of the sun on your skin, the melody of a bird's song, or the comfort of a friend's laughter. By acknowledging these gifts, you're fostering a sense of contentment and attracting even more positivity into your life. Next, make a habit of writing gratitude lists. Every day, jot down at least 3 things for which you're grateful. This simple act of putting pen to paper helps crystallize your thoughts and intensify your feelings of gratitude. Now let's turn our focus to affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself either silently or aloud. They serve to challenge and overcome self-sabotaging thoughts and create a positive mental environment. Start by choosing a handful of affirmations that resonate with you. They could be as simple as "I'm worthy of success" or as specific as "I am attracting wealth and luck into my life." Consistency is key when it comes to affirmations. Make it a daily practice to repeat your chosen affirmations, ideally first thing in the morning and last thing at night. This helps to embed these positive messages into your subconscious, where they can work their magic. But remember, affirmations are more than just words. They require belief. You must truly believe in the words you're saying for them to have their desired effect. So as you voice your affirmations, visualize the wealth and luck you're attracting, and believe in your heart that they're already yours. Remember, change begins with you. Embrace gratitude and affirmations and watch as wealth and luck flow into your life. The journey may not always be easy, but with each step, you're sowing the seeds for a future filled with abundance and prosperity. So keep going, keep growing, and let the power of gratitude and affirmations guide your way. In conclusion, wealth and luck are not just about hard work or chance. They are deeply intertwined with your mindset, your attitude, and most importantly, your gratitude. Throughout our journey today, we've uncovered the profound impact of these two simple yet powerful concepts: gratitude and affirmations. We've seen how unlocking a sense of gratitude can open doors to opportunities, attracting wealth and luck like a magnet. We've delved into the power of affirmations, understanding how they can shape our reality and set the stage for abundance. And importantly, we've discovered the incredible synergy between these two concepts. Together, they create a potent formula for success, prosperity, and good fortune. So as you step forth from this moment, carry these insights with you. Embrace gratitude, harness the power of affirmations. And remember, this isn't about wishful thinking, it's about actively shaping your world. Gratitude and affirmations are your keys to a life of abundance. Use them wisely and watch your world transform. As we draw the curtains on this enlightening journey, remember that knowledge isn't power until it's applied. So put these lessons into practice. Start your day with a grateful heart and affirm your desires into existence. As you do, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Share your stories of transformation in the comments below. We're a community here, and your insights could be the inspiration someone else needs. If you found value in this video, there's one simple way you can show your appreciation. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. But the best compliment you could give us is to share this video with your friends and loved ones, because the gift of knowledge is the greatest gift of all. Thank you for being here with us today. We're grateful for your time and your support. We hope to see you again as we continue our journey towards wealth, luck, and a life of abundance. Remember, the key to change is in your hands. So until next time, stay grateful, stay positive, and keep affirming your way to success.